The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for Brunswick County, Sussex County, until further notice. At 10:13 p.m., emergency management officials reported major flooding across the warned area. The following rivers are impacted with this situation: Mayheron River at Lawrenceville affecting Brunswick County. Nodaway River near Stony Creek affecting Sussex County. For the Chowan Basin, including Lawrenceville, Seabrook, Emporia, Rawlings, Stony Creek, Franklin, minor flooding is forecast. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Additional information is available at www.weather.gov. The next statement will be issued Saturday morning at 10:15 a.m.